Let me show you how I make my delicious buttery cauliflower steak, carefully placed on my homemade sun-dried tomato hummus, topped with my homemade chili maple glaze. It's to die for and super easy to make, so let's get into it. I start by washing my organic cauliflower head, and then I pat it dry with some paper towel. On a chopping board, you're going to want to chop up your cauliflower into cauliflower steaks. I typically get about 3 to 4 good-sized cauliflower steaks from one cauliflower head, and you'll find that the end pieces tend to crumble into bite-sized pieces, which is completely fine. I'll use those for a different meal, but on this occasion, I have 3 cauliflower steaks. So I'm lining my baking tray with parchment paper, adding some olive oil. Use your oil of choice, that's completely fine, and then I'm making sure that I am evenly coating the bottom part of the cauliflower steaks. Then I'm gonna add some oil to the top of them as well so that they're completely evenly coated. I'm gonna toss my cauliflower pieces in the oil to make sure that they're evenly coated as well. And now for the fun part, we're gonna add the seasonings. So I like to add black pepper, sea salt, basil, some paprika. I love onion powder. And then on this occasion, I'm using asafoetida, but you can use garlic powder if you don't have that. Then I'm gonna place it in the oven on 350, and I tend to bake it until it's brown. I don't really time it. And as we wait for that, we're gonna make our chili glaze. So I'm starting with olive oil, maple syrup, freshly chopped parsley, and chili flakes. It's that easy. Stir it up, and you're ready to go. Now I'm gonna flip my cauliflower. As you can see, it's browned on one side, which is perfect. We want the other side to be brown. So I'm gonna do a heaping tablespoon of hummus, and then I'm going to spread that out over the plate, add my deliciously browned cauliflower steak, and then I'm gonna top it with my maple chili glaze. This is packed with flavor. It's so easy to make, and you'll have about 2 to 3 for the week. It's great for meal prep. My husband loves it, and it's delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you later.